Listen, every delay is in my favor. That is what I'm speaking. Every delay is in my favor. So whatever needs to be done to make sure I'm getting paid my worth, make sure the job fits my skills and fits my background, whatever needs to happen, let that time happen. Take the time that's necessary so I get everything that I need and want and more. Take the time that's necessary. After just 90 days of job hunting, I had gone through several successful interview rounds for this new job opportunity. So I just knew that this was my job. But I was shocked to get the call from the recruiter that I didn't get the job.
And that they're going to hire that he basically knew from a previous life for the role that you all had discussed.
So after not hitting my 90-day new job challenge, I'm on a mission to find out just how long is it going to take me to find this new job. But the first thing I need is a reset. So I'm going back to the new job vision that I wrote during my self-reflection time. This new job needs to have a flexible schedule, be a leadership role, less than 50% travel, within my industry, high paying, and an inclusive environment that values me, my skills, and my impact. So I went to work repeating the strategies that got me my last interview. I'm touching base to share a bit of my career transition, connecting with recruiters, taking their advice on making changes to my resume that made me even more competitive. And I also started using recruiters to find new jobs, and at the same time, I directly applied to jobs that fit my new job vision. Great conversation with the recruiter today. Another thing that helped was practicing my career narrative every day so that it aligned perfectly with every role that I was applying to, and the work started paying off. I have an interview this afternoon in about a couple of hours. In the beginning, it was hard to get callbacks. Now I was getting interview requests within minutes of applying. I posted for these jobs yesterday, and I have 2 interview requests for 2 different companies, and these are high-paying jobs. And with each new company going 3, 4, and sometimes 5 rounds. I have a phone interview today. I have an interview in just a few minutes. I have my last interview. I'm in the 4th round. This is the last round, I'm told, unless something changes. I have had interviews every week for the past month and a half. And with more interviews came more rejections.
And no answer. Yeah. And then the next time I got an answer, they said that we got a different route.
And even after 3 and 4 rounds, I still got hit with more rejections. And it was hard, but I still had to keep my energy up for the next set of interviews. Keeping my energy up for these interviews and my toddler was not easy. This morning, I fell down the stairs trying to get my 2-year-old ready to go. Real quick, I have my first in-person interview coming up. I'm not going to do order unless you be quiet. Give me 5 seconds. Stop. I'm really excited. Zuri, stop. Oh my God. I am so thankful for my husband who made sure I paused during my job search to take moments, get recharged, and just enjoy life. He is absolutely the best. My husband and I are in the Bahamas for a mini vacation, which I am so happy because I'm exhausted. And while we were heading back from our vacation, I got an email inviting me to New Jersey for a final round with a major company. And I thought to myself, if I nail these in-person interviews, the offer is mine. The interview process was very conversational. It was really more of trying to get to the story of, you know, why this role, why now, and, you know, my background, and just, honestly, I felt like they just really wanted to put a face with a name. Like, I felt like they really liked me. Clearly, they flew me up here, but I think they just wanted to confirm what they were feeling. So, And I think these meetings confirmed for them and for me that this may be a really good fit. Glenda Roberts, how are you this morning?
I'm well, and thank you for the call. How's everything in your world?
Everything is great. Everything is great. Thank you.
I would have really enjoyed meeting you. Your energy in the room is real. Okay, they felt it, they liked it, and so I'm really, really happy. I'd love to let you know they'd like to make an offer of employment for you.
Oh, wow, that is great. That's great news. I feel like those football players that be finally crossing the touchdown after the fight of their life. Yeah! And 2 days later, I received another high-paying competing job offer from a different company. In a moment.
Why crying?
Mommy's happy.
Mm-hmm. Why crying?
Mommy's happy.
You were crying?
Yes. This series started out as my career comeback, but it has become my testimony that God is faithful. And even in the toughest job market, with faith, strategy, and a willingness to keep going, you will not be denied. This is what's possible. And this is just the beginning.